Welcome to Zilliz Cloud, the ultimate vector database solution. Zilliz provides scalable performance storage infrastructure for search engines, recommendation systems, or large language models. No matter the scale or complexity, Zilliz helps you focus on insight and results instead of maintenance and engineering. I'll be guiding you in using Zilliz to store and query your unstructured data. To get started, you'll need vectors, which blueprint your data. Embedding models transform your raw data into vectors. For text, we recommend OpenAI Text Embedding 3 small model, ideal for similarity search or retrieval augmented generation. For images, use OpenAI Clip model, designed for image-to-vector transformations and visual search. Finally, for audio, Meta Wave2Vec 2.0 converts audio signals into embeddings, perfect for speech recognition and audio classification. Once the vectors are generated, you're ready to finally search and query your data. First, you'll pass your query through the same model that generated your initial embeddings. Then, Zilliz does a search in the vector space, unlocking deeply relevant insights and connections that traditional keyword search method miss. Remember, you can represent any data type as an embedding. It's an intuitive way to uncover insight behind your unstructured data. We've included educational links below. Click on what interests you most, and you'll find resources to get started. We're here to help, so please reach out with any questions. Thanks for choosing Zilliz. We can't wait to see what you'll build.